Why is it that some people always seem to get what they want? Whether it's a promotion, a better price on a car, or simply winning an argument, they possess a hidden advantage. Most people think influence is about being loud or charismatic, but the truth is rooted in human psychology and social engineering. In this video, we are breaking down 7 psychology tricks to influence people that are backed by behavioral science. We aren't talking about manipulation, we are talking about understanding the software of the human brain to build better connections and gain an edge in any social situation. By the end of this video, you'll understand the primacy effect, the power of cognitive dissonance, and one specific trick that makes it almost impossible for someone to say no to you. This is the science of influence. Let's dive in. Have you ever noticed that after you do a small favor for someone, you actually like them more? This is the Ben Franklin effect. In psychology, our brains hate inconsistency. If I do a favor for you, my brain thinks, I must like this person, otherwise, why would I help them? The action: don't try to impress people by doing things for them. Instead, ask for a small, non-intrusive favor, like borrowing a book or asking for a quick recommendation. It creates an immediate psychological bond of trust. Most people are terrified of silence. They feel the need to fill every gap with or ah. But silence is one of the most powerful influence techniques in a high-stakes conversation. The action: when you ask a question or make a point, stop talking. If the other person gives an incomplete answer, wait for 5 seconds while maintaining gentle eye contact. The psychological pressure of the silence will often force them to elaborate, reveal more information, or agree to your terms just to break the tension. We are biologically wired to trust people who are like us. This is called mirroring. By subtly reflecting the body language, speech patterns, or even the energy level of the person you are speaking with, you bypass their stranger danger defenses. The action: if they lean in, you lean in. If they speak slowly, you match their pace. Warning: do not mimic them, mirror them. If it's too obvious, it backfires. It should be a subtle dance that makes them feel seen and understood on a subconscious level. One of the Harvard psychologists conducted a famous study at a photocopier line. She found that adding the word "because" to a request increased compliance from 60% to 94%, even if the reason given was completely nonsensical. The action: whenever you make a request, always attach a reason. "Can I skip the line because I'm in a rush?" is exponentially more effective than just, "Can I skip the line?" Your brain is conditioned to look for logic, because provides that logic automatically. Trick 5. Door in the face technique. This is a classic negotiation trick. If you want something small, first ask for something big. The action: if you want a $500 budget for a project, ask for $2,000 first. When they say no, they feel a psychological debt of sorts. When you compromise down to your actual goal of $500, they are much more likely to say yes because it feels like a win for them. This leverages the contrast principle. The second request looks tiny compared to the first. To build immediate authority and rapport, shift your language from "I think" to "we should." This creates a sense of shared destiny and removes the "me versus you" dynamic. The action: in meetings or pitches, use collaborative language. It positions you as a leader and a partner simultaneously. This is how top-tier executives build consensus without ever raising their voices. The final trick is the one most people get wrong: timing. Knowing when to stop influencing and start listening. If you found value in these psychological insights, hit the subscribe button. We release deep dives into leadership, human behavior, and career growth every week. Which of these 7 tricks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Skills or Learning Development.